Welcome and how are you, my friend? This is the second lesson of the Instagram masterclass. Today I'm going to talk about the power of Reels. That's amazing, huh? Yeah, Reels are a great thing. It is like TikTok videos. It's very short but very powerful. Let's discuss. Reels are short and fun. As I told you, yeah, there is fun and the entertainment videos that get more attractions. People always doing these things. People like to see short and sweet videos, short and sweet things. They don't have to spend a lot of time to spend on the social media, but if they need to get some fun or the relaxation, whatever the thing, they are spending on that kind of platform. Therefore the TikTok became very trending. So Reels also like that, but Reels can do a lot of things. Instagram Reels are a very powerful way to get real views and likes. There, yeah, that's great. That means reach and the impressions are very high, because of most people like to see this kind of thing. And as I told you, Reels are increase the engagements. I think I don't need to explain this thing because you know about that. And if you can create a Reels consistently and continuously, if you can upload to the Instagram your account, your personal or the business account, that means that account create more reach. It will get a lot of reach. It will get a lot of impressions. It will get a lot of views. That means it will create the awareness about your brand or your personal branding or your service or the whatever thing, right? So therefore I'm telling you, if you can create this kind of reels consistently, that will be great. So usually it will take little time, because algorithm should have good idea what kind of thing you are doing. So then that algorithm get the decision, yes, this is a great thing, I need to promote this thing, I need to push up this thing to the top. So therefore do it continuously and do it creatively. You will get a lot of benefits. So I'm going to show you what kind of thing this is Reel. Unfortunately, Reels are not available to my country, so therefore I think I need to go to the official website to show you what is the Reel. If you don't know about the Reel, so let's see what is that. This is the official Instagram website, and they are explaining what is the Reel. So Reels like this. See, short and sweet videos. Let me show you some more. See, this is the things. Fun and entertainment based videos. See, this is funny thing, So I think you have a good idea about the Reels. Do research and learn more about the Reels and start create some plan how to do these things. And before you create an account, I think you learned something from this video. So please be kind to subscribe my channel and give me a thumbs up. And if you have any kind of question, please let me know using the comment section. I will reply you as soon as possible. So thank you very much to watching my video on the Minute Answers YouTube channel, and see you soon with next video.